Not only is this one of the best AI tools ever, this is going to let you make hundreds of videos in seconds with just a couple clicks. Let's get it. I introduce you to VidU. This is next level. Just look at the wallpaper and look at the website as we sit here. This is one of the best AI generators on the market. Let me get into it. So literally they start off by saying what you imagine with VidU is high quality, affordable, and unparalleled 2D animation, bro. This is incredible. And let me get into some of the highlights of it. So these are the main highlights of it. They're gonna be able to give you reference to video. Yeah, what that means is you could take any of these things in the picture and you can put more than one picture and they'll create those pictures into an image. Or if you have multiple pictures and you want to combine all of them into one video, they do it, bro. Look at the example. So this is some of the way they do it. They use multi-reference consistency, and they even show you can save your characters, your props, your scenes, so you can start building a story, or you can save your brand's colors. So if you start to sell your own products or whatever you have, they can let you save it right here. The next big feature is image to video. So that means they're gonna take a picture and turn it into a video. Look at these. This is a picture of a dude in a leather jacket, and it turned it into a whole animated video. Picture of a flower turned into an animated cartoon fairy. You get the picture. So they have first and last frame control. What that means is it takes the first frame of the uploaded image, and then it takes the last frame of what you want the image to be, and then it fills in the blanks and makes everything lit and animates the in-between. You can even turn your anime art into a video. So imagine if you take your regular still photo, turn that into anime. You take the anime and turn that into a video. You just made your own anime. And of course, they do have text to video as well. So anything you type in can turn into a full video. And I'm gonna show you on screen some of the videos that I've made. So you see here, these are all the templates. You see that new style where people are taking themselves out of packaging or making themselves into action figures. They got that here. You see it with different characters. You see they have a claw machine one, Star Wars. Look at my dog with a fresh cut. Let's go through a couple of these just so you can see some of the stuff you can make. So Orbit Rolex, animated me. Yeah, this is pretty cool. This reminds me of kind of like a Minecraft kind of player. They got luxury cars. Oh, this looks like Optimus Prime. Let's see what this looks like. And just like that, it made its version of Transformers, Optimus Prime. All of these different templates. So if you're stuck and you don't know what kind of videos you want to make, you can go viral doing anything. You know what I mean? It doesn't have to be a product. But these are all the templates they have for you for your own inspiration. And did I mention they got an app? You click this button right here and it takes you to the app store. You can download the app for your iPhone. This keeps getting better. Let's continue on. So I'm going to read off to you, before I show you exactly how to use it, what I've done with it, I'm going to read off some features you can do, some of their new features, and some of the highlights of the product. So besides the image to video that they've improved on, they've improved the reference to video, and they've even added AI sound effects. This means you can generate sound effects through simple text prompts. By setting the desired duration and specifying the exact timing for each sound, users gain precise control over when and how the sounds appear. This even allows for layered audio. The flexible generation lowers production costs and brings a new level of vitality to the video content. Next, they've also added higher resolution. During Q1, they delivered sharper visuals and improved stability and subject details. This is ensuring a more polished and professional result. They added more dynamic. With a powerful image to video capabilities, they brought static images to life, enabling fluid motion, cinematic transitions, and visually compelling scenes, all generated with remarkable coherence and AI. One of the next thing they did was they added more alive. What this means is they introduced precise and flexible sound generation, allowing creators to add immersive high quality video audio and higher resolution to all their images. And one of the biggest things they did was they added longer video. With enhanced model capabilities, VidU now supports 5-second video creation, offering greater flexibility for diverse content needs. And you get unlimited free generation. So look at this, you get instant video creation, superior anime generation, and unlimited free generation. Now let's get into it. Let's see some of the stuff that I made. So I want to show you how it started. This video right here is how I started using this tool in February. Look at this. This guy kind of looks like Gary V a little bit. I don't know, he looks kind of strange. Look at him, smiles kind of weird. I put a Pokemon card case into this and I said, make me some sort of ad, right? And that's what it did in February. This is the next generation it did in February. Not too bad, but look at this. That's next level. And I even have some more generations I'm gonna show you on screen. So as you see, here's another example. I took of the case and it animated it. And here's another animated one of the case. You're going to have to get really specific with what you want on it, but look how cool this is. And this is all from a picture. Now, here's where I want to show you each breakdown. This is reference to video. So we went ahead and took some sample images. This is a picture that looks like a Zelda type character, a picture of a cake in the image background, okay? You can change this to be whatever you want. All I'm gonna do is show y'all a quick example. So let's make it TikTok style, vertical, and let's say we want to make 2 videos. I'll get these generating, and as you see, those are cooking from scratch right now. So while they cook and I show you the reference to video, let me show you text to video. So I went over here to text to video, and look how simple this is. It's a straightforward layout. I typed in, I want a beautiful woman teaching yoga to TikTok. You can't get any more simple than this. And when you scroll down, these are the settings. I clicked general because I wanted a realistic video. I want something that's real, not cartoonish. I want it 5 seconds, and you can select your resolution. For me, I want 1080p, and they do give you a complimentary free trial with this, by the way. So if you want to use this tool at any time and you like what I'm saying, make sure you click the description below. So once you go ahead and click your movement, what kind of movement you want, I leave it on auto. I like TikTok style vertical videos, so I wanted it on that, and then you can select how many videos you want made. We did 2 at a time, and let me show you what it came back with. So let me make this full screen and check this girl out. So look at this. Look how realistic this girl is teaching yoga to people. Then we have subject number 2. Look how real she looks. Moving a little bit of slow motion, but she still looks real. Outfit looks real. You can't tell me if you want to go to Fiverr, if you want to go to Upwork.com, if you want to go to Freelancer.com, or whoever, or ask your cousin, ask your girlfriend, ask your auntie to make a photo for you, a video for you. It's going to cost money. This costs clicks and it saves you time. Look at this right here. The girls are realistic. The videos are crispy in HD. And best of all, it's literally done in seconds. While I was talking to you, it made this entire video. Let's check this one out. This is reference to video. Took a character, took a background, took the cake, everything in one image, reference to background, and it made it in seconds while I was talking to you. You can't make this shit up. Look at this. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So this tool right here, you can get started for completely free, but I want to show you another use case. So one of the cool things you can use this for is anime, bro. Look at this. They've made their own anime. And let's say you want to do some advertising, or let's say you want to use it for social media. You can make posts like that. Culture, tourism, and you got a YouTube page where you do travel. You want to make a movie of your own. All of these things can be done with this tool right here. And what's crazy is I'm giving you direct access to this tool for free by clicking in the description below. Tell them the session sent you. I'm telling you, this tool is insane. It's literally next level. You can choose from endless templates. You can get unlimited free creations. They can make anime. You can make advertising, social media. Everything you need is right here. I love this tool. I personally am using this in my business. You will see on my clients page some of these AI people posting about the Pokemon cases, posting about products, posting about services. Within 2 years, social media influencers, I'm not going to say they'll be the thing of the past, but it's going to be very difficult to outbeat AI if Fashion Nova has their own AI, if Adidas has their own AI, if every brand you know has their own AI influencer. It's going to make it more difficult for you to create this traffic organically. I suggest you tap in, use this tool, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know what you think of this tool. I'm telling you, you start this today. Once you make a movie, a video, tag me on Instagram, tag VidU, and once you tag us up, we'll repost it if it's fire. I appreciate you. Let me know what you think. Until next time, stay lit, stay awesome, stay healthy. You did.